Well, he bataka make. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
No, this is not just an album. This is an experience. Vybz Kartel X-rated, available worldwide on all digital platforms. Make sure you support good music. Vybz Kartel and Sharp Bass Music presents. You know the something go. Stream, view, support. Yeah, man, move settings nation. And no, we no need no ladder. Now, welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jayden Chase, and we are about to bring another important reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. In another video, viewers and subscribers, we're going to discuss mounting concern for Vybz Kartel and the co-accused after the Department of Correctional Services was forced to disclose the serious impact faced by the DCS and inmates housed at the facility. Now we're going to also discuss new statements made by Holness after blasting dancehall music. The Prime Minister is at it again. Now people are now saying, is Holness fit to lead the country moving forward? What do you think? Tell me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers.
We have people out there with non-good intention or whichever. I am a woman, and the same way I do that to that little girl, the same way I could have do to me too. Same when every day I talk to say he's a dirty man and I'm not going to take it back. When I talk about him to get life in a prison, rare. Anybody know me and wish to speak at him, I talk about is I hang him for blood clot, hang him by him balls. Hang him by him balls. I not support no former rapist or no type of killer. Because once you cross the line with them type of things, they are done. You understand? When I meet him wasn't a person like that. I meet him have my man, me in my relationship, everybody I talk about him, baby mother. I'm living. I don't live with this man, people. I don't live with this man. This man is not my personal man, or whichever it is, it's not that way. Or it go, but instead of people asking, everybody just want to jump and say, alright, this, wagwan, or share this, whatever the case may be. You get me, I talk about pretty. Me not ugly, I'm a very pretty person too. He's a very nice person, but at the end of the day, we not talk about color, and we not talk about looks, because what, someone lost their life. But instead of we really sitting, looking down and sit and think about it, no, we rather to jump and bash and this one woman because what she did there with the man. I never tell him to do whatever it is that him do. If I could have stopped it that day, I would have done that. But what I couldn't do that. You understand? So how is it me to say I'm wicked and then never say me a cover up for him because I'm the first and old man for run joke like that? Listen to me, my name is a type of person. I'm very dramatic. Sometimes we say some things to me and more while I laugh at it, that's where some man would have come from, but I don't know intention no way. Like they simply step speaking and say probably they might go kill themselves and then can't manage them type of person good things and this was like that say dramatic or whichever. Whenever really I think about that, I say this person really would have committed such an act or whichever. When him say to me, I take myself and I go to the yard, run at the yard, go look the yard gate up and everything. I did it probably about 5 minutes and turn to sister and say, come move because I don't see the vehicle and I know some left people go work this morning whatsoever. You understand? So I never really, but when I realize this, I get older and now and serious. I never just sit down with it because I could feel with myself, something like this happen. And even when me kind of have a little bit of intuition about it or kind of summarize something I know, or probably like this will take place, and then never swing and don't do it. Anybody wish to try.
Now, viewers and subscribers, Minister without portfolio at the National Security, Senator Samuda told the panelists that the serious challenges faced by the DCS threaten to undermine its very core functions, stating that it is more difficult to maintain order in a correctional facility with the added anxiety both for inmates and staff. Now, this disclosure was made after it was confirmed that 5 deaths have happened recently, viewers and subscribers. Now, other than the families involved, this was unknown to the public. Now, 2 of the deceased persons were inmates and 3 were staff members. Now, Mr. Samuda also stated something very important. He said, the decreased traffic in and out of the facility has also disrupted interactions with the court system and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And he said that played a role in the lack of court attendance by inmates and those on remand, even if it was via Zoom. Now, while the particular facilities where these deaths took place was not disclosed in the file, viewers and subscribers, to date there has been no reported cases on the block where Vybz Kartel is housed. None on Sean Storm's block, none on Madsus or Kairos block either. Now, maybe this was also what prompted Andrew Holness to forward out and make the statements that he's planning to impose tougher measures, viewers and subscribers, if these weekend lockdowns are not up to the challenges at hand, are enough to mitigate what is taking place. Now, some members of the society have said that the minister is using what is taking place worldwide to sanction ludicrous policies on the island. And this concern is shared not just by citizens, the common man, but also by heads of state as well. Members of the opposition have stressed that some of these policies, some of these laws, some of these measures being implemented will not help the situation faced by the nation at large. And some have said going off the rails by blaming entertainment and entertainers is only because majority of entertainers, Spragga Benz, Bounty, Vybz Kartel, Footer, you name the members of the entertainment sector, will voice their personal, and I repeat, personal opinions on the matter. Buju Banton, an outspoken, very outspoken entertainer, but what take place. And some have said this is why the Prime Minister chose to make those statements. Truth be told, it definitely looks like it. For years, we know the system have targeted Vybz Kartel just because he has been outspoken about how he personally feels about certain situations taking place on the island, and also voice the concern of other citizens who don't have the platform. So can go out there and tell the world what them feel about certain things where take place right up on the island. Things them try to cover up from time to time, while spending millions on meaningless programs and not looking at the issues faced by the people. Now, while Mr. Holness did not outline what those new measures would be, I guess the statement was just to kind of drive fear into the society, that people that say, yo, you know them restrictions are tough already, so if they plan to impose tougher restrictions, maybe we need to just try to see if we can abide by what is taking place. Remember, this is only the second phase. I think there are 3 phases of the weekend lockdown. But the fact is, we're all affected by what is taking place currently. So hopes are that measures are successful. And you know what I mean? The number is reduced. And we can see the place return to some sense of normality. We don't know what that new normal will look like, but at least some sense of normality. You know what I mean? So that the people can continue to earn a living. Certain basic things can, once again be enjoyed by the public. We always talk about, remember our motto is out of many one people. So with the whole segregation of what going on right now, you see what take place. Certain basic functions of our society is only allowed to take place if we can intermingle. So think about it. You know what I mean? So hope everything work out. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding them now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Yeah, man. The like icon that you know, and the like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. So drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion via the comment section, which is open 24/7. That means it never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. You know what I mean? As I say, you can continue reasoning via the comment section. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you know this up we go. Yeah, man, I'll move settings fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, of course, we don't live, love, and prosper until the reason again.